see.
Why did he do that?
Why did he do that? He's a good jumper, huh?
Hi, up there.
Yeah, he jumps on your legs.
That was high on my legs.
Do you like him?
Yeah.
What's his name?
What's his name?
His name's Little Lincoln.
He wanna go. He wanna go.
Does he want to get down?
Yeah.
Come here, buddy. He's what I mean. We'll watch the
This is what Nate came home with. 6 of them. 6 of them? Or 7?
I'll go out here.
Come get little Lincoln.
I got here on the poop.
Oh, you pooped on the floor?
He shoot more.
Let's look at the rest of them.
Hey, don't pull on me, Mike.
I'll wipe it up.
There's some little chickens. Oh, one's getting stepped on. He's trying to sleep in the corner.
My chicken. That's mine.
Dad's gonna get it.